little room tour. Okay, yes. So when you come in, I got the aircon there, which is not running because the door is open over there. But as soon as I close it a little bit, or fully close it, it should kick off. That's it. Yeah, I haven't really used it. I mean, I used it, but it didn't cool the room down much, so I don't know, it might be me. Toilet, normal toilet, bidet, shower. I like this one, this rain type of shower. That's me. This hair dryer, which I don't really use. I don't really need to dry my hair, you know. Yeah, towel, toilet tissue, just a general clean, and that's my room. I got a sofa. And I think that not every room has a sofa, so I think I'm quite lucky. I could have put like here 3-4 people, because there's a double single bed over there. I always slept in the middle somewhere. I got a TV, a little fridge. There's just water and some peach drink. Aircon remote, little side table or whatever. Another side table, phone, a big wardrobe. Put your clothes in it if you want to. To be honest, I kept all mine in a sofa. It was just thrown everywhere. I didn't, you know, I just throw it everywhere. I just took it out, the fresh one, and I just left it on the sofa. I didn't care too much. Got a little safe as well. Here, I don't know if you can see, there's a safe, which I also didn't use. Some drawers to put your stuff in it. Yeah, and another little table for the sofa, and another side cabinet or whatever. But the view is really nice from the balcony. I really like the view from the balcony. It's nice. Let me show you quickly. You got two chairs and a table, and to dry your clothes here. The view is something. Let me just put this on. Yeah. Nice view. Yeah, if you wouldn't, that's Hotel Columbus. Yeah. It's not bad, not bad. It's quite good location. I mean, this hotel is really in good condition, and also it's a good location as well, because everywhere is just, I don't know, it's like you can walk to it, you know, town center, I don't even know, it's just, the beach is like 15 minutes walk, and everything is like 15 minutes walk. If you get a scooter, or you get a taxi was, when we came back from Science Park at night, we paid €8 for a taxi from Science Park, which I think is not that bad. I think it's definitely £8 or £7, something like that. I think it's not a bad price at all. Definitely around one-ish, and I mean one-ish at night. So I think it's a good price. So I would say the taxi is quite cheap. So that's the little room tour for you. I will show you later on down as well when you come into the hotel and stuff like that. So yeah, that was my room. It's simple, but I don't think you're gonna spend much more time than sleeping here and maybe chilling because you got sunburned or something. But for the holiday, I think it's perfect. You don't need anything else. I don't think. Oh yeah, on the TV, you got a couple. You've got a couple English channel, and also you got some Spanish as well. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, there's a couple BBC London. There's a few English channel you can watch if you like to. So yeah, I think if you come home from a night out or something like that, it would be perfect. You don't need anything. Oh, a little lamp. I never even turned this on. Yeah, I think this room is perfect. You don't need anything else, to be fair. As I said, I don't think not every room has this sofa, so I might be just a lucky one. Yeah, so as I said, I think it's perfect for a holiday. You don't need anything else because you're not going to spend time here. You're probably going to be down on the pool, or you're on the beach, or you're doing some activities. So yeah, that's it.